In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create blocks in AutoCAD quickly and easily, even if you're brand new to the software. Blocks are one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD because they let you combine multiple objects into one reusable item. That means less repetitive work, cleaner drawings, and a much faster workflow. If you use AutoCAD for drafting, design, or technical drawings, learning how to make blocks will save you a lot of time. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can use an existing project or start with a new file depending on what you're trying to build. Once your drawing is open, create the objects that you want to turn into a block. These could be lines, shapes, symbols, or any combination of items that you want to reuse later. For example, if you keep drawing the same symbol over and over again, turning it into a block will make your workflow much more efficient. Now that your objects are ready, go to the command line and type block, then press enter. This opens the block definition window where you can set up everything needed to create your reusable block. The first thing you need to do is enter a block name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can find it easily later when you want to insert or reuse it in other parts of your drawing. After that, click Pick Point. This lets you choose a base point for the block. The base point is important because it determines where the block will be anchored when you place it later. Click on the exact point you want to use as the reference point for insertion. Try to pick a logical spot, especially if you plan to use the block many times. Next, click Select Objects. Now you can choose all of the objects you want included in the block. Drag a selection window around them or click each object one by one. Make sure you select every part you want combined because anything left out will not become part of the block. Once your selection is complete, press enter to confirm the objects. At this point, AutoCAD will return you to the block creation window with your name, base point, and selected objects all set up. Now all that's left to do is click OK. AutoCAD will combine the selected objects into a single reusable block. From now on, that block can be inserted, copied, and reused throughout your drawing without recreating the same elements again and again. This is especially helpful for things like symbols, furniture layouts, title blocks, or any repeated detail that appears multiple times in your project. And that's it. You've just created a block in AutoCAD. It's a simple process, but once you start using blocks regularly, you'll notice how much faster and more organized your drawings become. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.